Welcome to the era of AI-driven product design. Picture this, a motorbike that adapts to your riding style, anticipates road conditions, and even makes real-time adjustments for optimum performance and safety. Sound like science fiction? This is the potential of AI in motorbike design. AI is revolutionizing the entire design process. From conceptualization to prototyping, testing, and refinement, AI algorithms are working behind the scenes, analyzing data, making predictions, and guiding designers towards solutions that may have been unthinkable in the past. However, like any revolutionary technology, AI in product design comes with its own set of challenges. There are ethical considerations around data privacy and job displacement, and questions about how we ensure safety standards in a world where machines are making critical decisions. Moreover, the integration of AI into traditional design processes requires a shift in skills and mindsets. Designers are no longer just artists or engineers, they need to be data analysts and machine learning experts too. And let's not forget the challenge of public acceptance. As with any change, there will be resistance. But as we continue to see the benefits of AI, from improved performance and safety to more sustainable manufacturing processes, the tide is slowly turning. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer in the world of product design. So buckle up, because we're on a journey to a future where design limitations are a thing of the past and the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. To appreciate the future, we must first understand the past. Let's journey through motorbike design history. It all started in the late 19th century, with the invention of the first steam-powered bicycle. Then came the internal combustion engine, which revolutionized the industry and led to the creation of the first motorbike. Over the next several decades, the motorbike underwent numerous design changes, each one pushing the boundaries of speed, power, and aesthetics. The mid-20th century saw the rise of sport bikes, known for their sleek design and high performance. Later, the focus shifted to safety and comfort, leading to the development of modern touring bikes. Designers started to incorporate advanced technologies, such as anti-lock braking systems and electronic fuel injection, to enhance the riding experience. Now that we've seen where we've come from, it's time to see where we're going. AI and machine learning are more than buzzwords, they're the foundation of the future. Diving into the basics of AI, or artificial intelligence, imagine it as a broad field of computer science dedicated to creating systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes learning from experiences, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Now, let's narrow it down to machine learning, a subset of AI. It's like teaching a kid to ride a bike. You start with training wheels, then you take them off, and with a bit of wobbling, they're off on their own. Machine learning algorithms learn from data, and over time improve their performance as they consume more data. But how does this relate to motorbike design? Well, consider algorithms as the brain behind the AI operation. They're sets of rules or instructions followed by the AI to solve a problem or accomplish a task. In motorbike design, these algorithms might be used to optimize the aerodynamics of a bike, to predict how different materials will perform, or even to simulate how a bike will handle under various road conditions. Then we have models, the end result of machine learning. A model is like a well-trained cyclist who knows how to react to different terrains and situations. In the context of motorbike design, a model could predict the most efficient design, the best materials for a specific use, or how the bike will perform under different conditions. The connection between AI, machine learning, algorithms, and models is the key to understanding the future of motorbike design. It's about using this technology to make the design process more efficient, to predict and improve performance, and to create motorbikes that are safer, more sustainable, and more enjoyable to ride. With these AI basics, we're ready to explore how they're shaping the future of motorbike design. AI is already driving innovation in automotive design. This isn't some far-off futuristic idea, it's happening right now, in the present. The automotive industry is leveraging AI in numerous ways, and motorbikes are no exception. Consider the realm of design optimization. AI algorithms can analyze countless design iterations in a fraction of the time it would take a human team, identifying the optimal balance between aesthetics, functionality, and cost-effectiveness. This allows designers to focus their creative energy where it's most needed rather than getting bogged down in the minutiae of endless design tweaks. Beyond design optimization, AI is also playing a pivotal role in the development of advanced safety features. For example, AI-powered driver assistance systems are increasingly common in cars, and similar technology is making its way onto motorbikes. These systems can analyze the surrounding environment in real time, alerting riders to potential hazards and even taking corrective action when necessary. This kind of technology has the potential to save countless lives on the road. But AI's role in automotive design doesn't stop at safety. It's also being used to enhance performance. AI can analyze a bike's performance data, identifying patterns and trends that can guide future design improvements. This means that AI is not only helping to create better motorbikes today, but it's also laying the groundwork for the bikes of tomorrow. And let's not forget about the manufacturing process. AI is helping to streamline production, minimize waste, and improve quality control. By predicting potential manufacturing issues before they occur, AI is helping to ensure that every bike that rolls off the production line is up to standard. These examples are just the beginning of AI's journey in motorbike design. With advances in machine learning and data analysis, the influence of AI in this field is only set to grow. As we move forward, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that lie ahead. From safer, more efficient bikes to more sustainable manufacturing processes, the future of motorbike design is undoubtedly bright thanks to AI. From idea to prototype to the final product, AI is revolutionizing every step of the design process. It's not just a tool, it's a collaborator that brings a new perspective to the drafting board. Imagine a motorbike design process. Traditionally, it starts with a designer's idea. They sketch it out, create a 3D model, and then it's tested for aerodynamics, safety, and other factors. This process takes time, and there's always a high level of trial and error involved. But what if we could make this process faster, more efficient, and more precise? That's where AI comes in. AI can take a designer's initial concept and generate thousands of design variations in seconds. These designs aren't random, they're based on algorithms that understand the principles of aerodynamics, material strength, and other key factors, just like a seasoned engineer would. Once we have these variations, AI can help us test them virtually. Instead of building physical prototypes for wind tunnel tests or crash tests, AI can simulate these scenarios digitally. This not only saves time and resources, but also allows us to test designs that would be too risky or expensive to test physically, and it doesn't stop there. AI can also learn from these tests. It can recognize what worked and what didn't, and use this knowledge to generate even better designs in the future. Over time, the AI becomes a more and more effective design partner. But what about the human touch, you may ask? Well, AI doesn't replace the designer, it enhances them. It takes care of the tedious and repetitive tasks, so the designer can focus on what they do best, being creative and innovative. Moreover, AI doesn't just bring efficiency to the design process, it brings precision. It can analyze every millimeter of a design, every curve, every angle, and ensure they're optimized for performance, safety, and aesthetics. With AI, the design process becomes faster, more efficient, and more precise. It's a new era for motorbike design, and we're just getting started. The future of motorbike design is here, and it's powered by AI. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a transformative technology that is shaping the future of many industries, including motorbike design. As we look forward, we can expect some remarkable changes driven by advancements in AI technology. One of the most promising trends is the personalization of user experience. Imagine a bike that learns and adapts to your riding style, optimizing its performance and safety features accordingly. As you ride, the AI system continually analyzes data from various sensors, learning and adjusting in real time. For instance, if you're a speed enthusiast, the AI could prioritize performance. If you're a casual rider, it might focus more on comfort and fuel efficiency. The possibilities are endless, and with AI, your motorbike becomes more than just a machine. It becomes a personal companion on the road. Another trend to watch is the integration of AI with augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. These technologies could revolutionize the way we interact with our bikes. AI could use AR to project real-time data onto the rider's helmet visor, such as speed, navigation, and potential hazards. With VR, riders could simulate different riding conditions to train and improve their skills. However, these advancements also bring potential regulatory challenges. There will be questions about data, privacy, and security, as well as the ethical use of AI in decision-making. It's essential that as we innovate, we also consider these implications and work towards solutions that respect individual rights and safety. In terms of manufacturing, we may see AI being used to design more efficient production processes, reducing waste and energy use. This could make motorbikes more sustainable and affordable, opening up the joy of riding to more people worldwide. The future of motorbikes is exciting, and it's happening now. With AI at the helm, we're just starting to see the potential for innovation. As we move forward, we can expect motorbikes that are safer, more efficient, and tailored to our individual needs and styles. What a thrilling ride it's going to be. AI tools are shaping the future of design, but what does the public think about it? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence and its use in motorbike design, it's impossible to ignore the public's perception. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. These are no longer just buzzwords, they're becoming integral parts of our day-to-day lives. And the design world is no exception. Software like Autodesk's Generative Design and Siemens NX-CAD, just to name a couple, are already revolutionizing how we approach design. They allow for a level of intricacy and precision that would be nearly impossible to achieve manually. These tools can analyze countless design iterations, taking into account factors like aerodynamics, material strength, and weight distribution. The result? A motorbike that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also optimized for performance and safety. But what does the public think about all this? Well, it's a mixed bag. Some are excited about the potential of AI-designed motorbikes. They see it as the future of transportation, a way to make our roads safer and more efficient. But others are more skeptical. They worry about the implications of machines making decisions that were once solely in the realm of humans. There's also the question of trust. Can we trust a machine to design a vehicle that's safe and reliable? It's a valid concern, and one that we as a society will have to grapple with as AI continues to advance. So, what can we do to increase trust and acceptance? Education is key. The more people understand about AI and how it works, the less intimidating it becomes. We also need to ensure that AI is used responsibly, with clear ethical guidelines in place. And finally, we need to show, not just tell, how AI can improve motorbike design. Demonstrating the tangible benefits like improved safety features or more efficient performance can go a long way in winning over skeptics. After all, seeing is believing. As we embrace AI in design, we must also work towards public acceptance and trust. Because without that, the most advanced technology in the world won't be able to reach its full potential. We've taken a deep dive into the world of AI in motorbike design. What questions do you have? As we journeyed together through the revolutionary landscape of artificial intelligence, we saw how it's transforming the world of motorbike design. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. We started by exploring the role of AI in product design, focusing on its growing impact on the transportation industry. We then traced the evolution of motorbike design, setting the stage for understanding the profound changes AI is poised to bring. We delved into the principles of AI and machine learning, focusing on the algorithms and models that are vital to design and engineering. We then moved on to real-world examples of AI in automotive design, including its current applications in motorbike design. We took a closer look at the AI-driven design process for motorbikes, from concept to prototype, and from testing to refinement. We also touched on the exciting innovations AI is expected to bring in terms of safety and performance, such as advanced sensor integration and predictive analytics for maintenance. We discussed the potential of AI to contribute to more sustainable motorbike manufacturing processes, including material selection and energy efficiency. We also addressed the ethical considerations of using AI in motorbike design, including data privacy, job displacement, and safety standards. We speculated on future trends in AI-designed motorbikes, considering advancements in AI technology, personalization of user experience, and potential regulatory challenges. We also introduced you to the tools and software that enable AI-assisted design. Finally, we analyzed public perception of AI-designed motorbikes and discussed ways to build trust and acceptance. Now let's turn the floor over to you. What queries do you have about AI and its role in motorbike design? What are your thoughts on the future of motorbikes and the part AI is playing in shaping it? We're eager to hear your questions and thoughts. Thank you for joining this exploration of AI in motorbike design. Keep questioning, keep exploring.